The death toll in the Mbale Uganda flash floods has risen to 29, with the government detailing the extreme havoc caused in the Mount Elgon plains. Rescuers were by yesterday still trying to find 5 missing people, more than 48 hours after the Saturday night disaster, and hopes of finding the victims alive had, according to volunteers, faded. Two rivers burst their banks after heavy rainfall swept through the city of Mbale, submerging homes, shops and roads, and uprooting water pipes. About 400,000 people have been left without clean water, and more than 2,000 hectares, 5,000 acres, of crops have been destroyed. Rescue efforts have been hampered by rainfall, with a number of areas still inaccessible. 3 health centers in Mbale were damaged and many people have had to travel up to 60 miles, 100 kilometers, to find the closest hospital. The government has deployed emergency supplies and is working with humanitarian aid agencies to provide temporary shelters, but teams on the ground said they were stretched. Hundreds of people have lost their lives or livelihoods to floods in the hilly area of Mbale over the past 5 years. The impact of extreme weather events has been worsened by the clearing of land for farms and homes.